Good morning, you guys. Actually, it's afternoon now. It's like lunchtime. But we actually, I don't even know if we've ever filmed a legit vlog in Amsterdam.
I think we have. But
maybe like the first few weeks. I know, it's mostly like, you know, sit down videos and vacation vlogs now. But today it is the weekend of Halloween, and so we thought it would be...
I'm from Canada.
You're from Canada! We are too! And so it's the weekend of Halloween, and we thought it would be fun to film today because we are heading into the city of Amsterdam. We need to get our costumes, we gotta get some shoes, we gotta do some shopping, and then we have a couple of parties to go to tonight. So it's like a fun-filled weekend, so we thought we would film it. So anyways, first up is we need to get our Halloween costume figured out. So we are on Rozengraat right now, and there is an art supply store here. So we're gonna just grab a couple things. Hopefully they have what we need, and then we will have a costume tonight. Let's go. Okay, so the plan for today is to become double stuffed Oreos. So I need black cardboard. This might be too thick because I don't know how I would cut through this. But it's nice that it's like sturdy, but I don't have anything to cut through that. Maybe this might work. It's a foam board, so it'll
That's
probably
really
be
thick.
No, it's great. It's a foam board, so I think it'll be easy to cut through. But then it'll also stay its shape, but
True.
I don't know the price of this. All right, so we found what we need at the art store, but we decided that we're gonna come back when they close on the way back home because...
It's hard to carry a big piece of cardboard.
Yeah. Okay, so the plan was double stuffed Oreo, so we need to get like black paper. But the black paper is obviously really big, and obviously we're traveling by bike, so it's not very convenient to be holding just like cardboard throughout the whole day, so we'll come back and get it. I think I want a fruity drink. Oh wait, what's that? Oh, should I try something new? So I think you peel it. And then, oh, and then you take this out. There. Then it's nice and fresh. There you go. It actually smells really,
Have a
really
bite.
good.
Have a first bite.
Oh, look at all the salmon.
Not bad.
It's really good. Okay. Can't go without my cha time on the weekend. What shoes are those? What shoes are those?
The Air Max Dawn.
Do you have a color in mind?
No, just trying to find whatever
Hey, it's
looks
on
good.
sale.
Yeah.
That's a really cheap price, actually.
What do you think of
I've
it?
actually never seen you wear shoes like that, so curious. Try it on. What the heck? Is that the style of this shoe? Look at this.
Which one? Yeah, that is.
How do we like
You like this one?
Can you turn around a little bit?
Yep.
I like them more than the blue one. I mean the red ones. I'm just not really sure about the style. It's very different from what I'm used to seeing you in. What do we think? What do you think? What out of 10?
It's really comfortable. I like this a lot more than the other one.
Yeah.
But yeah, you have some depth. Maybe my feet's too wide for this style.
Yeah, it does look like your feet's like bulging out of it. Like, I don't want that to be like something that's bad for your feet after a while. These are the best of all the ones that you've tried on so far. Do you like them?
I do. I want a better beagle though.
How much are they?
160.
Oh my gosh, it is freaking chaotic in the heart of Amsterdam today, and if it wasn't for like going to big box stores to get these specific things that we have in mind, we honestly would not be hanging out here in like the Kalverstraat area. It's just because Jesse needed a specific Nike shoes, which he got.
Yes.
Woohoo!
Successful trip at least.
And I had to get something from Mac. But we're out of here now, man. It is chaotic. I am not loving this like overwhelming vibe. But we need to get you a coffee. Jesse hasn't had a coffee today.
Go home to get that.
It's true. We'll see. We'll see. What do you think of this hat? Do you have the trench one?
We do. This is a handmade raincoat in Scotland.
Oh, it's a raincoat.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Looks really nice.
Yeah,
Is
look.
that also a rain vest?
Does it feel warm?
But it is definitely too big for me.
Yeah.
Oh, but it's
It's really nice.
I mean, I guess if I like.
We're gonna get more and also smaller sizes.
Wow, it is surprisingly warm today. I think it's like
21 degrees.
yeah, it's crazy, and it's end of October, like nearly November. Should be actually.
Not complaining.
I heard it is the first day of winter tomorrow, which is when we change our clocks.
Yeah, we're changing time this weekend.
But it's so warm, which I love actually, and it's so beautiful because the leaves are falling now, and wow, is it busy in Amsterdam. I did not expect that, but I guess it's a good thing. It's like the city's coming back alive, so.
Love it. Oversized boyfriend shirt with the vest. I like it though.
I wouldn't go uncomfortably small because you wouldn't. This looks so cool together as well.
Yeah. Super nice.
Or maybe I just tuck it.
That looks nice too.
It doesn't come out. Alright, amazing. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Good night.
Okay, so I ended
Some
up
damage.
with two tops. So I got the white vest, the beige vest, and the white dress shirt that you
She didn't
guys
get
saw.
the boots though.
I did not get the boots because it's a bit on the pricey end, and I just am not emotionally ready to put that much money on the boots yet, even though I really, really love them and they are quite perfect. So I'm going to sit on it, sleep on it, and see if maybe I still think about it in a week, and we'll see if fate brings us together. Okay, we got our black paper and white pen. We are ready to turn into Oreos later. All right, let's make this costume. So this is the inspiration. Actually this one is the inspiration. We're gonna be double stuffed Oreo. How cute. So we have this huge cardboard and I need to make them into 2 big circles. So I'm gonna use some string to kind of like loop around a circle. Let's see how crafty I can get. I feel like I haven't really done many crafts since I've moved to Amsterdam, so we shall see. How big of a circle do you think I can make? Okay, we have our 2 Oreos. Now, this is actually like perfect size. Now I just gotta draw out the Oreo shape. In fact, I actually went to buy some Oreos. Should probably get some more, but I'm gonna draw out the Oreo shape. Wish me luck. All right, we have our costumes ready. Let's see. We're gonna test them. Will they break? Was it easy to put on?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Well, we're not wearing white, but imagine we're wearing white and double stuffed Oreo cookie.
That's cute. Okay, let's put on some white clothes, shall we?
We shall.
Oh, that looks so cute. I think we did a great job.